What if I told you that two people of the exact same age could have bodies that are biologically 10 to 15 years apart? No, this isn't science fiction. This is something doctors are seeing every single day. And the scary part? Most people who are aging faster than they should have absolutely no idea it's happening. Today, we're going to look at 7 specific signs that your body might be aging ahead of schedule, and more importantly, what you can do right now to slow it all down. Some of these signs are ones your doctor may never bring up, so stay until the end, because sign number 5 surprises almost everyone who watches this video. Before we dive in, this video is based on research from leading longevity scientists, including studies published by the National Institute on Aging. We're not here to scare you. We're here to give you real, actionable information that most people in their 40s and 50s wish they had sooner. Sign number 1, you wake up tired, even after a full 7 or 8 hours of sleep. Here's what most people don't realize. It's not just about how long you sleep. It's about the quality of your sleep. Specifically, how much time you spend in deep, restorative sleep. As we age, our bodies produce less melatonin and less growth hormone, both of which are critical for cellular repair at night. When this repair process slows down, your cells accumulate damage faster. That's accelerated aging, happening while you sleep. What you can do? Keep your bedroom temperature between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid screens for 60 minutes before bed. And consider time-restricted eating, stopping food intake by 7 p.m., which research shows can dramatically improve sleep quality after 40.
Sign number 2, things that used to bounce back in a day. A weekend hike, a long drive, a stressful week at work. Now take 2, 3, even 4 days to recover from. This is one of the clearest biological markers of accelerated aging. And it's not just about muscles. Your nervous system, your immune system, your gut, all of them take longer to return to baseline as your cells age faster than they should. The main culprit? Chronic low-grade inflammation. Researchers now call it inflammaging, the slow background fire in your body that accelerates cellular breakdown. What you can do? Add anti-inflammatory foods daily. Turmeric, fatty fish like salmon, blueberries, and leafy greens. Even a 10-minute walk after meals has been clinically shown to reduce inflammatory markers in people over 45. Sign number 3, and this one is deeper than wrinkles. Your skin has started to feel thin, dry, or slow to heal. Here's why this matters. Your skin is the only organ you can see aging in real time. When collagen production drops, which happens at a rate of about 1% per year after 25, your skin becomes a window into what's happening to your other tissues too. Your tendons, cartilage, and blood vessel walls are made of the same collagen. What you can do? Vitamin C is essential for collagen production. Not from supplements, but from real food. Bell peppers, kiwi, and citrus. Also, clinical studies show that hydrolyzed collagen peptides, taken daily, can meaningfully improve skin thickness and elasticity within 8 to 12 weeks. Sign number 4. You walk into a room and forget why. You lose your train of thought mid-sentence. Words come slower than they used to be.
Many people chalk this up to just getting older, but cognitive decline that happens faster than expected is often a sign of metabolic aging, specifically poor blood sugar regulation and reduced blood flow to the brain. Researchers at Columbia University found that people with elevated blood sugar, even slightly, not yet diabetic, showed brain aging up to 5 years ahead of peers with stable glucose. What you can do? Reduce refined carbohydrates. Prioritize omega-3 fatty acids from walnuts and salmon. And here's a simple one most people overlook. Drink water first thing every morning. Even mild dehydration reduces cognitive function by up to 15%. And here it is, sign number 5. The one that surprises almost everyone. It's your grip strength. I know what you're thinking. What does how tight I can squeeze something have to do with aging? The answer? Everything. A landmark study published in The Lancet analyzed over 140,000 adults across 17 countries and found that grip strength was a stronger predictor of early death than blood pressure. Scientists now use grip strength as one of the most reliable biomarkers of overall biological age. When grip strength declines, it signals something called sarcopenia.
the accelerated loss of muscle tissue that quietly reshapes your hormonal balance, your metabolism, and your bone density all at once. What you can do? Resistance training twice per week is the most powerful intervention. You don't need a gym. Bodyweight squats, push-ups, and resistance bands are enough. Even carrying groceries without a cart is a legitimate grip exercise. Start small, but start today. Sign number 6. You've noticed a creeping low mood, irritability or anxiety. Nothing catastrophic, just a background heaviness that wasn't there before. This is often dismissed as stress or just life, but it can be a direct symptom of hormonal aging.
Specifically, the decline of estrogen, testosterone, and DHEA that begins in your 40s. These hormones don't just affect sex drive, they regulate your brain's production of serotonin and dopamine. Gut health also plays an enormous and underappreciated role here. 90% of your serotonin is produced in your gut. Poor gut microbiome health, which worsens with age and processed food diets, directly undermines your emotional baseline. What you can do? Add a daily probiotic-rich food, yogurt with live cultures, kefir, or kimchi. Spend time in natural light every morning. 10 minutes of sunlight before 10 a.m. helps reset circadian rhythm and cortisol patterns. And talk to your doctor about having your hormone levels tested. It's a simple blood panel. Sign number 7. Foods that never bothered you before suddenly cause bloating, discomfort, or irregularity. Your digestion has become a guessing game. Here's why this is a sign of accelerated aging, not just a quirky food intolerance. Your gut microbiome loses diversity as you age, and your stomach produces less hydrochloric acid, making it harder to break down proteins, absorb minerals like magnesium and zinc, and fight off harmful bacteria. A degraded gut doesn't just mean digestive discomfort. It weakens your immune system, increases whole body inflammation, and impairs the absorption of the very nutrients that protect your brain and cardiovascular system. What you can do? Eat fermented foods. Prioritize fiber from diverse plant sources. Aim for 30 different plant foods per week, not 30 servings of the same thing. And consider a digestive enzyme supplement with meals, particularly if protein and fat become harder to digest. So there you have it, 7 signs that your body may be aging faster than it should. Disrupted sleep quality, slow recovery, skin changes, cognitive fog, declining grip strength, mood shifts, and digestive changes. Here's the most important thing I want you to take away from this video. None of these are inevitable. Biological aging and chronological aging are not the same thing. The science is clear. The choices you make in your 40s and 50s have a more dramatic effect on how you feel at 65 than almost any other factor. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight. Pick one sign from today's video. Pick one action. Start there. If this video was helpful, share it with someone you care about, because most people don't know these signs exist until it's harder to reverse them. And if you want to go deeper, our next video covers the single most researched supplement for people over 40, and why most people are taking it wrong. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.